In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IP address in Windows 11. Knowing your IP address can be really helpful, whether you're troubleshooting your internet, setting up a game server, or working with a support technician. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along on your own Windows 11 PC. First, let's open the Settings app. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. That's the fastest shortcut to open Settings. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also click the Start button. Then click the gear-shaped Settings icon. Once Settings is open, look at the list on the left-hand side and click on Network and Internet. This is where Windows keeps all of your network and connection options. Take a second to confirm that your computer is actually connected to the Internet, either through Wi-Fi or Ethernet, because that's the connection whose IP address we're going to check. If you're using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi, then click on the name of the network you're currently connected to. This will open a page with detailed information about that wireless network. If you're using a wired connection, click on Ethernet instead, and then click on the Ethernet connection that shows as connected. On the connection details page, scroll down until you see a section called Properties or something similar. Here, Windows lists important technical information about your connection. Look for entries labeled IPv4 address and, possibly, IPv6 address. The IPv4 address is usually the one you'll be asked for in most situations, and it typically looks like 4 sets of numbers separated by periods. Take note that this is your local or internal IP address on your network, not your public internet address. This is what your router assigns to your device, so it can communicate inside your home or office network. If a support person or an app tells you to find your IP from within Windows, this is usually what they mean. If you ever can't find it, double-check that you clicked on the active connection and that you've scrolled all the way through the Properties section. Also remember that if you switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet or to a different Wi-Fi network, your IP address may change, so you might need to repeat these steps. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to go in Windows 11 to quickly find your IP address whenever you need it.